around 7 o'clock, 7:47 p.m. I woke up early ago and I think my stomach is getting better. I'm not sure because I just woke up. Because Toto was like whining, barking, and so okay, he needs to use the bathroom because I checked last time I checked was 5 p.m. and he was barking too. So I let him out and I had to freaking chase him. Well, I kind of chased him, but I didn't go all the way because my stomach was hurting. I couldn't run. My stomach was hurting. So I was like, fuck it. I just stayed inside and like totally know where the house is. So I just waited. And finally he's here. God, I was so mad at him because it's raining outside and I'm wearing this jacket. Anyways, my boyfriend got me clam chowder at Walmart for me to eat. So I'm gonna eat this since I can't eat anything that's too like, you know, after diarrhea. So yeah. I just finished clam chowder and I'm watching Knocked Up from the TV. It's just started. You know, the very beginning where Catherine Hegel, whatever her last name is, just realized, you know, like, oh, why did I sleep with this man or something like that. Anyways, boyfriend is at the party with his friends. I was gonna go, but my stomach wasn't feeling well, and yeah. And he was lost too because it was in Tacoma and it was, yeah, but he found his way.
Chelsea's new studio blowout week begins Monday at 11 on E!
Nice place, huh?
Yeah.
Sorry it took so long to get a table. I didn't realize you needed a reservation.
Oh, no, that's okay.
You look very pretty.
Thanks. Yeah, it's just that, I don't know, I thought maybe it'd be cool to hang out a little bit. We didn't really get to talk that much last time, so I thought.
That we did.
I thought maybe we could just talk and get to know each other better.
Okay, let's start. I'm Canadian.
Oh,
From Vancouver. I live here illegally, actually. Don't tell anyone.